Hello students, Standard 4th, Subject EVS Part 2, Lesson number 10, Baji Prabhu and the Memorable Battle of Godkind. So let us revise this lesson. Bijapur was still grief, the death of Afzal Khan and the complete rout of their army. Shivaji Maharaj captured Panhala fort from the Bijapur garrison. Therefore, Adil Shah was thrown into a fit of wild rage. Then he dispatched Siddhi Johar against Shivaji Maharaj with a very huge army. Then we have also learned that Siddhi Johar led a siege to Panhalgarh fort and he confined Shivaji within the fort. When the monsoon arrived, the siege was further tightened and as a result, supplies in the fort ran out. In this way, Siddhi Johar subdues Shivaji. In order to escape from the siege, Shivaji Maharaj sent a message to Siddhi Johar that he was defeated and would shortly surrender the Panhalgarh. Siddhi's troops were already tired of a long siege. They were very happy to hear that Shivaji agreed to surrender. Therefore, Siddhi Johar's troops relaxed their watch. Shivaji Maharaj planned to escape from Panhalgarh because the supplies were running out and it was no longer possible to hold out. Shivakashid, the brave hairdresser, undertook the task of impersonating Shivaji Maharaj in order to enable his master to escape from the siege. Siddhi Johar killed him after his impersonation was exposed. So, by this sacrifice for the cause of Shivaji Maharaj and Swaraj, Shivakashid in service of Shivaji Maharaj has become immortal. Then, in meanwhile, Shivaji Maharaj escaped from the fort by the difficult route. He was accompanied by Baji Prabhu Deshpande and some selected soldiers. Siddhi Johar became livid with rage because he learned that Shivaji had given him a slip. He sent Siddhi Masood in hot pursuit of Shivaji. Siddhi Masood caught up with Shivaji at Pandarpani stream. Baji Prabhu took upon himself the responsibility of defending God Pass and requested Shivaji Maharaj to proceed to Vishalgarh fort. While leaving Vishalgarh fort, Shivaji Maharaj said to Baji Prabhu, "As soon as we reach the fort, guns will be fired. That will be the signal of our safe arrival. As soon as you heard the gunfire, abandon the pass and follow us to the fort." So, Shivaji Maharaj left for Vishalgarh, leaving Baji Prabhu to defend the pass. Baji Prabhu stayed at the Godkind pass to stop Bijapur troops till Shivaji reached Vishalgarh safely. Baji Prabhu was injured badly while defending the Godkind pass. Shivaji was to announce his safe arrival at Vishalgarh with gunfire. At the time of his death, the attention of Baji Prabhu was fixed on the sound of the gunfire because he wanted to die with the satisfaction that he had done his duty towards Shivaji and Swaraj. So, Baji Prabhu and his brave soldiers laid down their lives for the cause of Swaraj by stopping Siddhi Masood in Godkind. Baji Prabhu's blood made the Godkind a holy place in Swaraj. Godkind became Pavankind and became immortal in history.